What drives me? I'm not always sure. But when the world's still sleeping, I'm already moving. That first light, that cold air, that's where I meet myself. How far am I willing to go today? Once I'm out here, it's just me and the trail. Gaining altitude, no matter how long it takes. Taking on every challenge, taking in every moment.
I train after work in the margins of my daily life. It's not easy, but I chose this. In every session, every step, it all adds up. Because when I'm standing at that start line, I'll know this is where it all pays off. For now, it's just one more K, one more climb. And ain't none of it I'm taking on alone.
That's what it's about.
Being out, being in it. It's what I live for.
And I own every moment.